Welcome back. My name is Annette Garstek, and I'm so glad you joined me for the last video in this series about the resume mistakes you could be making and how to avoid them. If you've missed the 9 previous videos in this series, it's okay. I'm gonna go ahead and upload the playlist for you right here in the upper right-hand corner of your screen so that you can catch up. If you're new here, I am so very glad that you joined me. I am Annette Garstek, and my mission is helping ambitious women land their dream job and advance their career in corporate America. Let's get started. In the last video, I gave you over 250 action verbs to get you started and make sure that your resume was more than just the normal, boring, responsible for list of accomplishments. If you need that video, no problem. It's the last one in the series, but I'll go ahead and link it for you up in the upper right-hand corner of your screen. Today, I want to talk to you about a very serious mistake on your resume. This kind of serious mistake can keep you from being hired, it could cause you to lose your job, and it can damage your personal reputation. The serious infraction I'm talking about is misrepresenting information on your resume, or worse, lying on your resume. In a survey conducted in January of 2020, 36% of those surveyed admitted to lying on their resumes. Most people felt the need to lie on their resume due to a lack of experience or a lack of long-term employment. In a different survey conducted in 2017, 75% of hiring professionals, either a recruiter or a hiring manager, found a lie on someone's resume. 75%. It's just way too many. This is why a prospective employer will conduct a background check, check your references, and confirm your education. Listen, there's a lot of things employers don't like to see on your resume, including resume gaps. But lying will only result in one of two outcomes for you. You'll get caught in the lie and you won't get hired, or you'll get hired and then you'll get caught in the lie. If the second one happens to you, you will get fired. And it doesn't matter how many years after the lie occurs on your application or your resume, you will get fired that many years down the line after you've worked for that employer for so long. And then that's where the reputation damage is going to come in. Both of these options are equally terrible. You are good enough as you are. There will be an employer that will want to hire you for your experiences and who you are. Know this about yourself and trust it. If a hiring manager has questions about your previous work, answer them honestly. If your resume contains a lie, my recommendation is this and only this: fix it. Remove the lie. If you have already submitted the resume, you have some options. Number one is just go ahead and fix the resume. Resubmit it. You'll have to find out from the system that you're working on or applying in if you can do that, or you'll have to find out from the person you applied with that you can resubmit your resume. If you've already met with someone, you could come clean with them. You could explain to them what happened. No easy way to say that, but that might stop your chances of getting this particular job that you're so interested in. But I think you'd rather have that and have the truth out there than have to live with this lie that's on your resume. The other option is to do nothing. That's a personal choice that only you can make. I know personally I would just hate getting caught in that eventually. Doing nothing, it's my least favorite option. It's not something I don't think I could do, but it is an option. The last option is you could withdraw your application. This will definitely take you out of the running for this particular dream role that you're interested in. But again, you won't have to live with the long-term stress of knowing that you could get caught at any time. Everyone has something in their professional life that they may not be proud of. That's okay. If you never fail, then you never have a chance to learn and grow. Lying about your professional experience doesn't make the truth go away. If you need assistance explaining your experience or documenting it on your resume, I would love to help you. I'm offering you a free Zoom consultation. Go to bit.ly/Annette Garstek Find 20 minutes in your schedule that works and schedule the time with me. I'd love to help you. I hope you found a ton of value from this video. If it's been helpful to you, please subscribe to my channel and don't forget to ring the bell. That way you'll get notified every time I upload a new video. If you've already started your job search, way to go! I invite you to download a copy of my guide that will help you make sure that your social media presence is ready for the scrutiny of a job search. Go ahead out to my website at bit.ly/Annette Garstek and get your copy today. Add a reminder to your calendar and don't forget to join me next week as I talk about ways that I can help you land your dream job.